In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to integrate your Shop Now e-commerce functionality within the back end of a WordPress website. This is very straightforward to do. What we're going to do is we're going to look at installing a plugin that will allow you then show your products on your site and obviously allow customers to buy them. One thing I want to draw your attention to right now is you see along the top here there's no shop link or ways for a user to buy products on your site. So what we want to do is we want to log in the normal way you'd usually log in. So this is your WordPress dashboard, the back end of it, and it's got the usual options. But what we first thing we want to do is we want to go to plugins, get up to add new, and we're going to run a search for the plugin which is called Equid. The first one that shows up is this one here. So we're going to, this Equid e-commerce shopping cart, this is the one we want. You're going to click install now. And you're going to click activate. The one thing that's important is if you've logged into your Shop Now shop on a browser, on the same browser, you'll notice it's very easy to connect with your WordPress site. So I suggest you do this first because then it's going to be a simple case of connecting your store. And then you click accept. So if you don't have the login details for your Shop Now, maybe contact your account manager and they'll be able to send them on to you. So as you can see here, it's now connected to your Shop Now and your WordPress site. We're in the back end of WordPress still, and it's added all of these additional options here now which relate to your shop. So if we then go up here and we go to view site, which opens here, you'll see in the top right hand corner it's now added a store option. It now presents all the products that you have in your store. It's important to note here as well that you can actually click on different categories and you can link them throughout your WordPress site like you would any other link, just by copying the link at the top. Thank you for viewing this tutorial. If there's anything else you need, please contact your account manager or visit our knowledge base, which is knowledge.gpie.ie. Thank you.